Struggling to decide between Logseq and Roam for your personal knowledge management? Let's break down these powerhouses in just 90 seconds. First, both excel at bidirectional linking, the core of network thought. In Logseq, links are created using brackets. Click the link to see connected blocks. Roam uses the same bracket system. Clicking leads to a dedicated page. Think of it as building your own personal Wikipedia. Now, outlining. Logseq has a cleaner, more focused interface. You can effortlessly nest and reorder blocks. This is perfect for structuring complex ideas and projects. Roam leans into its daily notes feature. Everything starts from here. It's a great way to track your thoughts chronologically and discover connections over time. Think of it as a digital commonplace book. Logseq is local first, meaning your data is primarily stored on your device. This ensures privacy and offline access. Plus, it's completely free. Roam is cloud-based, providing seamless syncing across devices. This is fantastic for collaboration and accessing your notes from anywhere. However, it comes with a subscription fee. So, which one is right for you? Logseq excels if you want a free, private, and highly customizable outlining tool. Roam shines if you prioritize cloud syncing, a daily note-centric workflow, and easy collaboration. Ultimately, the best tool is the one that fits your personal style. Experiment with both, and let us know in the comments which one you prefer and why. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips.